Hey guys, Andrew with Hoffman Lawn Fertilization. I'm out here patching a little section, putting down some seed, and something to be known when you want to do some seeding in the spring. And we do have a lot of clients that are in this situation this year where they've got bare spots in their lawn. And maybe that's due to the crazy drought that we had last year. A lot of damage in the turf. If you're going to be doing seeding in your lawn, I wouldn't suggest an overall blanket seed across the whole thing. I would prefer that you do it in isolated areas, and these areas need to be marked with straw so you don't get regular fertilizer treatments on those zones. The one thing with seeding in the spring is that you can't put down a normal fertilizer program because it has a pre-emergent in it. Pre-emergent will actually stop your desirable seed from germinating. The downfall to not putting pre-emergent in there is that you're going to have crabgrass that fills in. No, if you do a section of seed, keep it isolated. That way it can be managed. Know though that you are going to have crabgrass popping up. You can prevent crabgrass, or not prevent, but you can treat crabgrass with a post-emergent spray. Know this, it's very difficult pest grass to control once it has been established. But the upside, what is that? That is that crabgrass is actually an annual. So it's going to die on the first frost later on in the fall. And then you're going to be left with just your desirable turf. But you got to know that going into it, right? If you're looking for more tips and tricks on your lawn, check out our website, hoffmanslawncare.com.